So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in core isolation. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to find memory integrity. Make sure you have memory integrity turned off. You want to turn off memory integrity. If it asks you to restart your computer, don't do it yet. Next, you want to go to search and type in turn Windows features on or off. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to disable Hyper-V. Make sure you have Hyper-V turned off. You want to scroll down until you find Virtual Machine Platform. Make sure you have this turned off. And do the same thing for the Windows Hypervisor platform. Turn off that as well. So turn off those three and then click on OK. If you previously had it turned on and you turned it off right now, it might be saying for you something like applying changes. It's then going to turn it off for you. After you turn it off, you want to restart your computer. Come back into Windows and then the problem should be fixed. If that's still not working, for the next method, if you're using the advanced antivirus, you want to go on it. Now you want to go to menu and then you want to click on settings. Now you want to go to the troubleshoot option. If you have hardware assisted virtualization turned on, you want to untick this box and then click on restart now. Restart your computer, come into Windows, see if that works. For the last method, if you're using an Intel CPU, in your BIOS you want to enable VT-X or VT-D. If you're using an AMD CPU, you want to enable AMD-V or SVM mode. There's going to be 2 links in the description to my videos. It's going to show you how to do that. Once you do that, hopefully this will fix your problem.